Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can change into e to the power of y over e to the power of 3s squared. This one we change dy over dx. So ds e to the power of 3s squared we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 3s squared. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have 6s dx, because first the derivative of s squared in here, you got about 2s, number 3 with number 2, you got number 6. This one we change by u. 6s ds we change by du. The integration of this one we have e to the power of u plus c. About u, that's about 3s squared. This one we change by this one. This one we change e to the power of y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.